Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. I'm here with my son and he and I are going to be drawing
Bluey as a zebra.
Yeah, from the One with the Onesies episode.
Yeah.
So my other child and I are going to be drawing Bingo as a cheetah chasing Bluey. So you can actually put them both on the same page, but for this video we're just going to be doing it on one page. But if you're going to be doing both videos, then you might want to have it on one side and then save room on the other side. Like make it your paper like this instead of like this. All right, let's get started. To start, it always helps to start with the nose. And we want it about halfway on the paper, about this big. So you're make it come to a point. You're going to leave an oval highlight in there. Alright, then fill in the rest. And then you're going to do a thin line going back, and then a thin line coming down and right to there, and then it comes over, and then it goes up into a smile, and then the smile line is like that, and her teeth are showing like this. And then for Bluey, she has the color come around this side, and it's going to make a stripe along here behind her nose. So you make one more line that follows that same pattern, and then it comes around the teeth over to there. Nice, good work. Okay, now we're going to be drawing, let's draw this eye first. It goes up and then over and down. And then she's looking over here. And then this line actually goes all the way to her eye. And then this eye starts right here, and it's going to get kind of hidden behind the zebra snout. And then it comes over to here, like that. But then the zebra costume snout comes through here. It's kind of like a squatty oval, like a flat bottom. And then there's two ovals inside of it that are diagonal ovals. And then you just fill in the rest black around those diagonal ovals. Alright, so along the top we're going to draw a line that curves down next to the snout, and then it comes and meets up with Bluey's nose. And then right here we're going to be drawing an ear, and this part gets filled in black, and then this part's going to be pink, so it makes that shape. Very good. And then there's this kind of funky looking eye right here. It's not quite ovally like Bingo's eye.
You mean Bluey?
I meant Bluey's, thank you. I always say the wrong thing. And then there's this little curve right here. And then it curves down over to here. And then there's this ear right here with like that teardrop shape. And then it comes up and over. And this part gets filled in black. And now we can do the zebra's mane. So it's like a wave shape. Go up and then up again. and then it kind of flattens out up here. I mean, it's still curving, but it's not going to keep going up. And then 2 more littler bumps right there, straight up like that. And then when we're coloring it in black, we want to leave a gray line right here and a gray line right here when we're filling in, and then a little one back here. But everything else can get colored in. Okay, so now right here, we're gonna just, so do you see this line right here? We're gonna go in a little bit and do a little curve. And then it's gonna go down. Maybe we should wait and do that line until we've done. Okay, let's do the hoof first. So see where the smile is? We're gonna do a diagonal line there. And then it's gonna curve around and up. And that's how you make a hoof. And then this line is a diagonal line that comes back this way. And then there's a little curved line that makes the elbow shape. And then up. Nice. Okay, and then come here by the eye, and there's gonna be a stripe that comes out to here, right next to the eye. And then from right there, we're gonna have a curved line down, because this is where the onesie fabric ends. And then it comes up to the nose. And then right next to the nose over here, we're gonna have a line that comes down. And we'll finish that line later. Okay.
I don't think I'll have enough room.
You will, because it's not as long as you think. Okay, so right here we've got this rectangular shape right here for the bottom of the costume. And then this is Bluey's rectangular shape inside her body. Okay, so this is the bottom of the costume, and then it goes up and meets right there.
The rectangular shape is probably tummy.
Yeah. And then this is gonna curve up. And then this is gonna come down and meet there. So that's why we had to finish this stuff first so that we would know where it meets. And I'm just gonna thicken up this line because mine kind of has a funny angle, but yours was really good. Okay, so this gets filled in black. This is one of the stripes. She looks like a minion. Now we can start doing some of these stripes. Okay, she's got 2 stripes up here that are curved. So there's one, and here's the other. And then this one's kind of like a so they're kind of like curvy triangle stripes. And I'm just going to grab my gray right here right now because that's how it is in the, so it differentiates between the ear and the eye stripe. Nice.
It seems a little different than yours.
No, it's perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna do the rest of these stripes coming down. There's one, and here's another one. And yours don't have to be exactly like mine. No 2 zebras have the same stripes, right? Mm-hmm. There's like this little elbow patch right here that I'm gonna fill in gray. Oops. And I think sometimes they have to do that with black and white type of drawings so that they don't get confusing. Same with like this stripe. I'm gonna have that one be gray because you don't want it to be part of like the arm per se. But here's some more stripes. And then you can fit some more on this side too. All right, now we need to draw her other arm. So it goes out and then down and then over and then it curves back up like that and then just straight. All right, perfect. Okay, so now her legs, well, let's start with the back leg first. So we're gonna do an angle out this way. And we're saving room for the tail. Let's just do the tail real quick. So you do 2 lines coming out, and then a curved line like this makes kind of like a paintbrush shape where it curves together. Then you fill that in. And then just one nice stripe right there. And then we're gonna draw another line coming down. It's a weird sound. This geese?
Those are chickens.
Oh, it was one of our chickens laying in it. Okay, and then this knee comes down, and that one, and then we're going around and up. And we get to fill it in this time. Instead of drawing toe lines, we can just fill this in. And then you can draw some stripes down here too. Okay, and then for this leg, we're gonna come down like that, and then it comes to a point, and then it comes around, and then up and over. And fill that in for her foot. And then you just curve it up the same shape. And you can draw some stripes in there too. So the creators of Bluey and Bingo often leave the eye on this same plane so that you can't see that black, but I accidentally, so you did it right. Mine is a little too high. So kind of look at where your eye is and think, oh, mine meets up right there. So I actually have to draw my eye like that. But if yours doesn't meet up, like his is fine, just the way his is. So, and then also keep in mind, this is like the top of the costume. You know, instead of doing time lapse for like we normally do with coloring, this is just a little bit more complicated. I think we should color it in real time. I'm gonna leave the costume white because it's too hard to color that light of a gray, but we've got, this is my lightest gray I've got. So I'm gonna do this rectangle with this light gray. And then we can do like some shadows and stuff with it, but I'm gonna leave the majority of it white. This light blue is for his stripe and for his belly.
Her.
Her. I always do that. Okay, So this light blue, if you've got a blue light enough, goes for the stripe and the belly. And so yeah, with this light gray, I might just do some of these. I'm just gonna like go along the edges of stuff. So right now I'm just doing a shadow. And then I'll call that good. Maybe right here. Okay. So that's all the gray I need. And then I'll find a darker blue. Let's see what this, oh, we forgot to show there's a stripe right here of a darker, you made one already? Okay, so there's a darker blue over here. This one seems pretty good, pretty close. I like that blue, obviously with my nail color. So I found this color that works really good. I wish I had found it for you before. Oh yeah, you forgot to do that part.
Oh, that's the wrong color.
It's this one. Okay. I think this is the same color. It dries different. Yeah.
Alright, so I found this color. Well, for the
Oh, thanks.
snout.
And then there's a little pink in the ears. All right, that pink is a little bright. You might want this pink, but all right.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Done.
Did you want to do any grade shadows, or are you good?
I'm good.
All right. We hope you had so much fun drawing Bluey as a zebra, and make sure you see the next video with Bingo as a cheetah. And that way you can draw them together if you want, or on 2 different papers. But anyway, I would love to see how your drawings turn out. So if you want to show them to me, have your parents take a picture of them, and then they can post them on their stories on Instagram, and then I'll be able to see it. Just tag me at Sarah Hatch Art Studio. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss those future videos. We'll see you later.
Bye.